Careful!
What are you doing? Are we going to do some knitting?
Nope, better. We're going to make a pom-pom.
Let's do it. So, what do we need?
We need some card, a felt tip pen, scissors, some wool, a coin, and something round, like a glass or a tin. So, the first step is to cut two C shapes, like this one. First, we draw a big circle. Then, we draw a little circle. And finally, we cut it into a C shape.
Finished. What's next?
Now, grab the wool around the two C shapes. Great! Now, we need to cut the wool between the two pieces of card. Do you want to try?
Of course.
The last step is to put a long piece of wool between the two cards and tie a knot.
Yay! I did it!
Yes, awesome! You can make all sorts of things with your pom-poms. You can attach them to keyrings,
Or you could make your own colorful pom-pom decorations for your room.
we hope you have fun making your own pom-poms.
See ya!
Remember, to make a pom-pom, cut two C-shaped circles out of card. Wrap the wool around the circles. Cut the wool between the circles. Tie a piece of wool between the circles. That's it. Now you can make a decoration with your pom-pom.